Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the record breaking 5x5 cube by QiYi Valk 5M. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for all our latest content. So without any further delay, let's get started. QiYi released the Valk 5M in June 2019. This cube not only completed the Valk branded lineup by QiYi but lived up to its name as it was used by reigning 5x5 world record holder Max Park to attain the first ever sub 40 sol, setting new world records both in average and single times. This cube comes in a luxurious looking and very sturdy black colored box that is designed to protect the cube and other contents from shocks during transportation. It comes with the embossed Valk branding, and inside the box we get the cube itself in a very premium half transparent glass plastic finish box that can be used to keep the cube safe after use, and an accessories box containing some tutorial papers, cards, stickers and a very handy cleaning cloth. Talking about the specifications, the Valk 5M is 62mm cube weighing just 137 gram. It is a magnetic cube with glossy surface finish. Out of the box, the cube comes with a bit of factory lubrication and has half bright color scheme. The cube comes in two variant choices, stickerless and black base. Out of the box, the cube has good hand feels thanks to the glossy surface finish, but also has some factory lubrication that you may want to wipe out from the surface. It comes well tensioned and set up right out of the box. The cube turns fast and has a softer yet quick feel to it, thanks to the primary plastic internals being used. You may prefer adding some Cubelelo premium lube to make it smoother over longer runs. The cube has a smooth inner layer turning experience, while the outer layer is on the crunchy side, mostly owing to the varied magnetic strength in the inner and outer layers. Talking about the magnets, the inner layers have medium, while outer layer has stronger magnet setup, giving the cube a particular snappy and tactile feel which helps in executing algorithms accurately and with ease. The corner cutting is excellent in this puzzle, and this is achieved through a series of clever design elements in the hardware. For example, the core has a smaller profile with web clamp support structures, while the center edge has smaller ridges with decreased width, and the corner has smaller triple torpedo footprint. The ridges are enhanced, and the introduction of double ridges helps in better lube distribution, ensuring lesser friction and smooth functioning. The half red color scheme aids in good color recognition and look ahead as well. Aryan Chhabra won this cube in our online speed cubing event, Cubelelo Speed Cubing Unlocked, and let's hear what he has to say about it.
Hey, it's Aryan here. The QiYi Valk 5M is QiYi's latest flagship 5F5 and also the first 5F5 in the Valk series. It is available on Cubelelo. It comes in black and stickerless bases. The cube performs amazingly right out of the box itself, though it was a little dry and the tensions were a bit tight as well. So I lubed it with Cubelelo Weight 5 for both core and pieces. I also decided to loosen it up a bit. After doing that, the cube became just perfect. I get almost no lockups and my sols flow much better now. I dropped roughly 2 seconds right after switching to this cube. I highly recommend this cube to someone who's planning to get serious for 5F5, as it is really a game changer.
The first sub 40 5x5 world record made by using this cube itself speaks volume about what can be achieved with the hardware of Valk 5M. QiYi has come up with the ultimate 5x5 configuration with intelligent design choices and perfect magnetic setup. This cube is a main worthy choice for cubers looking to smash their PBs and aiming for national or world records. You can buy one now at cubelelo.com. We'll provide the link in the description box below. Do hit the like icon if you liked the information in this video. We will see you in the next one. Happy cubing!